If you want to let someone manage your Facebook page without sharing your personal account, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to give access to your Facebook page easily. First of all, open up your Facebook app. Go to your profile by tapping here on this profile icon. Then tap on these three lines here. Press on this drop-down menu. Select that page on which you want to add admin, like I am selecting my page. Again, go to Page's profile. Press on those three lines. Press Settings and Privacy. Then go to Settings. Scroll down and find an option listed as Page Setup. Tap on it. Then go to Page Access. Tap here on Add New. Press Next. Here, search that profile by its name you want to add as admin, like I am searching for Donald Trump to manage my page. Once you found your required profile, tap on it. Enable this option if you want to give full access to that person, that the person can give access to others, remove anyone from the page including you, or even delete the page. If not, keep this turned off and press on Give Access. Enter your Facebook account password for security reasons, press confirm, and an invitation notification will be sent to the other person. To remove this invitation, press on these three dots here and cancel invitation. That's it for today's video. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.